Yo, what's up? This is Jimmy and today we're going to take a look at the steps you need to take before you can even upload a custom thumbnail on YouTube. Let's go. Alright, so earlier I was uploading my first video. You can see that I already have my thumbnail here. That's because I already verified my account, and basically this video is going to show you what the steps you need to take to verify your account before you can upload a custom thumbnail. And I'm gonna use a different account. So first you want to go to youtube.com and then click the profile picture and then click settings and then click view additional features. And you can see right here custom thumbnails is not enabled, and then what you need to do is click verify, and then you can have them call you or send text, and once you do that, that's how your account gets verified. And I can show you how that looks like after it's verified. After you've got your text and you enter the code, your account gets verified and it'll show right here, and then you can upload custom thumbnails. So that's the steps you need to take to upload custom thumbnails. And I was having that issue earlier when I was uploading my first video. I was excited and I was like, wait, what? I can't upload custom thumbnail. But you know, you just gotta do stuff to learn. So hope that helps. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Thanks. Peace.